Today we talk about how can you find your card on your Jitsi app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on my card down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find all cards you have. I have nothing here, but if you have it, it's going to show for you in this list. If you add any receipts here in this list on your GC, on your cards here app, on your cards in your GC app. So that's all you have to do to find it here in this list. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.